Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to download texture packs for Minecraft. Now guys, first, click on your Google Chrome or your browser of your choice, type in mod rent, and then click on enter, click on the first link, or you can click on the resource packs that pop up, click on them. Now guys, here we have what looks like thousands, or maybe even hundreds of thousands of texture packs, and these are the most popular. So let's see, fresh animations. Most popular, I guess, or modern. So let's download this. Fresh animations. Click on it, and then click on download, choose your version 1.21, 0.11 I guess, and then press on down. Now guys, drag your file to your desktop and close your browser. Then launch Minecraft. Now guys, your version doesn't need to be modded. It can just be a regular version of the version of your choice. 1.20 and 1.11 is mine. And I'm gonna click on play. Now guys, I'm in my Minecraft. First on single player or in multiplayer. And create a new world or the world they want to do it. I'm gonna choose creative. Let's name the world text. Choose test. And then guys, click on new world, but the world they want to join. Now guys, after your Minecraft is opened, here when you press on escape, to press on options, and then over here a menu will pop up. Video settings, chat settings, accessories settings, and over here we have resource packs. So click on that. I've already downloaded many resource packs. Now I will show you how to drag them in. Just drag the texture pack that you have downloaded and drag it over here. Click on yes, and now you will see flash animations will pop up. Now let's just press on the play button or something like that, and now it will pop up over here with Minecraft. After you have imported your texture packs, you click on done. Now guys, over here you can see a big difference, right? But actually in the gameplay, texture pack that you have downloaded will impact your gameplay in a good way or in a bad way. So you might not see a difference right now, but when you play, you will. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day.